Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. A very good afternoon to all of you. Thank you so much for coming this afternoon, and sorry for a little bit of delay. I'm so glad to be with you this afternoon and would be happy to share with you some of our thoughts and to answer your questions. Well, as you know, I'm here for BRICS Foreign Ministers meeting. Before anything else, I have to appreciate warm hospitality extended to me and my delegation by the Indian government and by my very good friend, Minister Jaishankar, with whom I have a very good personal and working relations. We have been in touch in the past 2 months when the war was going on, or better to say the act of aggression against my country was going on. We have been in close contact and consulted with each other. I should also thank the Indian government for excellent arrangements for this important BRICS meeting and for the success of this meeting. We attach great importance to our relations with India. Iran and India are two ancient civilizations which have always had very good relations, and we have exchanged our cultural values. We have had very good trade and economic cooperation with each other, and very good political relations and political consultations. And we are certainly determined to continue our friendly and good relations with India for the benefit of both sides and based on mutual interest and mutual respect. As you know, my country has been the victim of an act of aggression, unprovoked aggression by the United States and Israeli regime